we receive memoranda be given respectful consideration. Let no voice, no matter how weak, be silenced, and let the space for all excluded, vulnerable, and poor groups be deliberately widened. Our women, our youths, and people living with disabilities must receive particular and favorable attention. Labor matters. To the extent that a state labor force, payroll and minimum wage must match its carrying capacity, this can no longer be imposed on states on the basis of labor agreements with the federal government. Kogi State requests that our constitution must devolve more powers to the state by amending the second schedule of Part 1 and Part 2 of the Constitution to allow state more input and control over some issues currently fenced off in the exclusive legislative list.
The governor should do more research and understand that as far as we are concerned, the issue of minimum wage is to maintain standardization of wage pay in the country. And I think the governors should be aware that we are talking about Convention of ILO 026, which Nigeria has already ratified and has already domesticated in this country. And for this obvious fact, Nigeria cannot in any way begin to run away from what is already domesticated and ratified by the National Assembly before now. These governors who are all canvassing for this are looking for an opportunity to begin to pay slave wage salaries to workers of their various states. If not, you have no reason to say what has a national discourse and a national outlook should be brought under you and begin to take a decision where you now sit as Lord governors, as Emperor governors, and at the end of the day, you begin to pay workers slave wage salaries at the end of the day. We say no to it, and we are saying yes to minimum wage remaining in the exclusive list as it ought to be before now.
From our own State House of Assembly, we are looking at the creation of states, which is very important, and we are suggesting that we have at least one state from each geopolitical zones of Nigeria. That is additional creation of 6 states. And we are equally in support of creation of more local government in Nigeria. Also, we are fully in support of autonomy, or financial autonomy for local governments across the country.
We believe this current 9th Assembly is going to be unique and different, because such kind of exercises were done in the past, but it did not come to any fruition. We believe this time around the exercise of constitutional review will meet the yearning and the aspiration of our people.